Hello, this is Lucas Brooks. I have another review for you. It's a Lego City Airport thing. It's a very small thing. But here's the minifig. Camera. Little satchel from Indiana Jones. Red blonde hair. Smiling. Blue jeans. And a little pretty detailed jacket. Satchel off. No back. Pockets. Little space guy symbol. And that's it for the minifig. This is just like a little camera. It's supposed to be 4 pieces. There's supposed to be a stud right there, but I didn't put the stud on because I didn't feel like it. Sorry, a little bit of cold. And then this. It has 2 suitcases, black and a brown, both empty. But this rolls pretty good. But I guess it could carry things other than suitcases. So yeah. This is $3.50. Toys R Us. Thank you. Please subscribe.